Hey, what's up guys? It's Benny from Xpress Skins. You probably scanned this QR code because you're wondering, how do I install the sticker? First step, you want to get your cleaning supplies. So you want to get a microfiber towel and you want to get rubbing alcohol. So what you want to do is you want to pour some of the alcohol into your microfiber towel, and then you want to wipe the surface of where you want to place the sticker. Alright, now that your surface is clean, we're ready to install the sticker. So we're just going to try to take off the backing paper. I like to start from the bottom. So now you want to see where you want to place the sticker. And this will be a good anchor point to start. So you just want to rub that in. And then with this piece of paper, you want to slowly, while you're doing the same thing with your hand, just slowly there we go. After you remove the backing paper, you want to let the transfer paper sit on there for a couple seconds, and once it settles in, you go into one of the top corners gently and slowly start peeling it off. You want to make sure the sticker stays onto the surface.